So this is birch bark. It comes from a tree. You can see here, it's like paper. Anyways, the natives and that would use it to start fires. And also to make...
What are you using to enlighten at night?
It's a Mora knife made in Sweden.
Yes,
Let's see if we can... Oh, she went. Look at that. And the second thing. And this stuff is just like freaking gasoline. It's nature gasoline. Look at it burn. Because it's all filled with oil. But it's naturally from the tree.
and with the oxygen of the air. Perfect.
And if I show you this knife again. So I really like this thing because it comes, there's your fire starter right there. Oop, and it just clicks back in and there's your knife. It was only $40 or something at Mech, so for the quality of the knife, I think it's worth it. Look at this stuff burn.